Students, so in this video I will discuss about the how to draw the isometric view of a cone. Base diameter 30, height is 50, is resting centrally on the cube of side 40 mm. So it will be one solid resting upon the other solid centrally. So I will be drawing the xy line first, then I will take any suitable point, then I will be drawing two 30-degree lines both sides of this, other side as well I will be drawing 30-degree line. Now you can take measure this 40 mm because the edge of the cube is 40 mm. I measured it 40 mm, then I will be marking 40 mm both sides, and then you can also mark it this side. I'll be joining this. So join this with continuous thin lines always join with continuous thin lines. Now this is the base. Yes, now I'll be measuring the height as 40 mm. It is given, it is 40. So you can draw the vertical edges 40 mm. So we'll be making the cube now. Forty mm. Just draw 40 mm from all the edges. Now you can join the tops. Join this top of the edges. You can join. Always draw thin lines because you might have to erase at the end some of the lines. So this is, now I will be erasing any unwanted lines. Now you can make it thick lines. Okay, whatever is visible. So whatever is visible, you have to make that lines thick. Then you have to make the cone above this. Yes, you can make it thick as well. These edges. The back and edges you can still wait. Yes, I will do it later on because we have to draw the cone now. Before that we have to find the center of this cube. Yes, I'll be finding the center. So this is the center of the cube. Now cone is centrally placed over here. Cone is centrally placed. So center of the cone and the cube is same. Now I'll be drawing the cone. You can draw the center line here throughout this from this center of the cube. First you need to draw the center line. Then you can measure this diameter is of the cone is 30. So you can measure 15 above and 15 below. 15 above I am measuring and 15 below. Okay. Yes. Then you can draw any horizontal line passing through this center. Yes. Now you can measure 30. So 30 I will be going to measure. Okay. So this is 30 mm. Now I will be marking 30 from both sides of this line. Now you can join these points. You can join these. Yes, I will mark it 15 here. 15 I have not marked on the lower side. 15 above and 15 below. So now it is 15. Now you will be drawing these lines. Now this is the rhombus for this ellipse you have to draw. Okay. Then you will be making the ellipse inside. Yes, join this for the rhombus. Always use thin lines. Always use thin lines. So now this is the inside rhombus. Now I'll be drawing the ellipse. Yes, you need to find out the center. So it is midpoint 15 mm because diameter is 30. So 15. 15 is the midpoint. So 15 will be the midpoint. All these edges, 15 is the midpoint. So you need to take care of this to mark the midpoints. That is very crucial. Now you can join this corner of this rhombus with this midpoints as usual. Then I will be making the ellipse. Okay. Thin lines. Always use thin lines. Okay. Now I will be making the ellipse by using 4 center method. Now with this as center, you can draw this arc, and from the other side as well you can draw this arc. Okay, and inside arc I will not be making. Inside arc I will not be making. You can join this. Okay. Now you can measure the height. You can measure the height as 50 mm from this center along this axis. So I measure this 50 mm, and then you can join this with tangents. Simply the tangents, both sides. Now it is complete. I will be doing the dimensioning only. You can erase this inside lines of this cube because it is not visible. Okay. Then you can make these lines thick. These lines should be thick lines up to the cone wherever it is touching the cone. Okay. The cube lines of the cube. Yes. Now it is complete. I will be doing the dimensioning now. Now I have done the dimensioning as well. You can also mention X and Y, both sides of this reference line. So I think this is complete now. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.